Hello my friends, welcome to HairTrickTv, helping you to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals. I am Pallavi and in this video I will follow Beautyklove and try to achieve heatless curls. So let's get started with today's video. So recently on YouTube, many people are doing makeup tutorials by following other YouTubers. So I thought why not to do a hair tutorial by following a YouTuber. So today I will follow Beautyklove. I will link her channel and this video in the description box in case if you wanna check her channel out. And I chose this video because I love doing heatless curls. I have never tried this technique before. And I saw this video years back on her channel for the first time, and since then I wanted to try this out but I never tried it out. So today I will try it out with you guys by following her video. So let's get started with the video.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another heatless curly wave hair tutorial, and no, I'm not going to be using any bendy rollers. I'm not going to be using any sponge.
So that's a great thing.
Curlers. I'm not going to be using any bobby pins, no rugs, and most importantly, I'm not going to French braid my hair because I know that some of you it's quite.
So I also have my water in this bottle right here.
Now don't be confused. This is just water inside. I got rid of the content of this bottle and I just replaced it with water. So if you guys are interested in how to do this, then just keep on watching. Right, so now let's kind of like ish zoom in because I know it's quite a bit of a challenge if I zoom out. So this is what we're going to do. Take a piece of section of hair just like this, and then all you have to do is just spray, damp your hair, and then what you're going to be doing is you're going to twist your hair just like that. Twist your hair just like that, and then use your two fingers. What you're going to do is you're going to kind of like wrap it. You're going to wrap that. It should look like that.
Wait! Okay, so I think we need to use our left hand. Yeah, so I got it.
Wrap it around just like that. And then we're just basically going to form a cocoonie. So you can see that there's a hair that's left right there. So now insert that onto this hoop right here. Alright, okay. Then do not go all the way through. What you're going to be doing is you're just going to press that cocoonie, and it should look something like that.
Okay, so I'm done with my first one.
Now we're going to be taking another section, just now spray your hair, and then twist your hair. My hair is apparently that long. And now take your two fingers, angle it just like that, and then wrap it around. We're just basically forming kind of like a cocoonie. Or a cocoon. I just like to call it cocoonie.
Okay, so she is doing it really fast, but I need some time. Because I have
Then
longer hair than hers,
once you're at the side,
so it
you're
would
gonna,
need some more
this is the
time
tip of my hair.
to wrap your hair. So
You're
okay,
going
I've
to do is
reached
you're going
the
to
ends.
insert that inside here.
Again, same technique.
So something like that. And then don't go all the way through.
Don't go all the way
Leave
through.
the hair looking like that.
And then
So what you're
slide
doing
the
is take
cocoon
this
down.
and you press that
Oh, this time it
cocoon
was easy.
down to
Yay!
just seal the hair. Now, just continue to do this with your hair. I'm going to do this third time around. Same process. Spread your hair and twist it. After that,
Okay,
take
so
your
I
two
have
fingers.
twisted my hair.
Just like that, and wrap that around
Two finger.
and form that cocoony little cocoon.
She is doing it really fast. Trying to cope up with her. Ah, wait. Reach there. Out.
And then, don't go all the way through. Press that down. There you go. Sealed. Now the purpose that I'm
Okay,
leaving
so as she's saying,
kind of
I
like
have
a little bit of
my
hair
end
right
right
here, is
here.
because this is going to be the
So
hair
that we
that we're
can
going to be
open it
pulling,
later.
so that, you know, to release this cocoon later on.
Last time,
Right?
I'm doing this as
So one more
well.
time, for the last time,
Bye.
last time, so y'all can really get it. Well, spray your hair
Twisted that.
and then twist it.
For 3 cocoons, I twisted it on the opposite side.
Right there.
Oh wait, I have not till twisted my hair.
Just your 2 fingers and go just like that. And start wrapping it around. And the same process, of course. Once you get to the ends right there, see that hair? Insert that inside here. Just like that. Do not go all the way through. That cocoony down. And it should look something like that. Hey everyone, so this is
Okay, so she did all her hair off camera. But I'm gonna do it right now and fast forward everything. Okay, so now I am also done with all my hair. So one difficulty which I faced was that while we are doing all of this, sometimes some hair strands from out of that section comes and gets entangled in here, and that becomes a bit difficult. But aside of that, everything was fine and easy. Now let's see what's next.
going to look like when it's done, so you're gonna look really crazy having these cocoonies around your hair. So I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for about, like, let's say a couple of hours, or maybe 3 to 5 hours max, because my hair is naturally straight, and so, you know, so it could curl better. So at that time I will be right back and I will see you guys later.
Okay, so I'm gonna also wait to dry it and then I will also come back. Okay, so now I'm back and my hair is dried. So let's see further.
Alright, for the moment of truth, so let's do a closer look. For the moment of truth, I'm going to be removing this. There you go. So the curls definitely look like this.
So she's just pulling this section out.
There you go. And then I'm going to remove another one again.
Pull. Yay!
There you go. And this one is just really ruined. There you go. This one is like much more bigger than the others because I gathered thick hair there. So and this one, pull it down. There you go. The curls and this one as well. There you go. That one looks like that. Camera gets, oh yeah, there you go. So that's how it looks. It turns out to be like this curls, just like here. Now I'm going to continue. I'm just going to continue and releasing the Cocoon. And this is basically how the curls would look like. They're really, really curly. Now, if you want a wavier kind of like, version of this, you just have to wait until your curls goes down and they turn into waves. So this is more of like a really curly version. But I kind of like it this way. I really don't usually hairspray my hair. So, I'll just wait for the curls to go down.
So
and
I'm
they'll
also
turn
not
into
going to
waves.
use any hairspray on my hair.
Yeah, so for me, as a person that really does not use, I do not personally use any hairspray anymore because it just doesn't really go with my hair. It becomes frizzy and just, ugh. So, yeah.
So I think that's it.
Wait, this is how you can actually design your hair. This, you can put a headband just like that
So she's now just styling her hair, so I'm gonna skip that part.
on your hair. A little cute thing. Just like that. This side of your hair.
Okay, so I have that thing.
Make
I
it
think we
look
can use
more
this.
chic. So that's how it looks like the side. And I hope you guys find this really helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you need any help regarding this curls, because I know it's quite challenging the first time you try it, but as soon as you keep on doing this cocoonies, it's going to be a lot more easier for you. So I'm going to zoom in. So the curls are going to look like.
Okay, so that was it. I really like how it turned out. This is how my hair looks. And I really enjoyed doing this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I upload new videos every Saturday 5 p.m. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye!